Hello, Odd Job Doer here. Now today's little Odd Job Doer's Guide to Nature, we've got a very venomous, not friendly, well, so I'm not going to be too judgmental, but basically a black widow before it goes black. Okay, so you probably can't, there you go, you see that? Let's see if we can get some focus on this thing. Let's see, moving in. And that's right. It's right horrible. Sticking that. Let's try this one here. Probably hot and slightly melted, so it doesn't really pay much attention to me. On this background here. There we go. Zoom out. You're not that far out. There we go. See that right there? Black Widow, male version. There's a friend. The one on the left is not very much alive. So it's very alive, but also it's very hot. So it doesn't want to do anything. Except for sit there and pretend like it has a sun. Man, I tell you, trying to get up close to stuff's hard. Because you don't want to bite you. Yep. I'm not one of those people that have this thing crawling around on them. That's for sure. But, man, it sure doesn't want to come in focus when I get too close to it. Alright, well, male Black Widow. Not the best focusing on it, but also not getting bit. So there you go. Questions, comments, leave them below. And this little fella is going to go somewhere else. Yeah.